This is view from our balcony in a small hotel. It's already hot, and that's our small balcony. We pay $46 and 45. So today is Thursday, and we are going to the waterfall. This way and down, and obviously we have to pay. It's Jimmy.
Honey, maybe you should take off your sandals. Your sandals is so slippery.
That's how you should walk back.
Okay, okay. Wait there. Wait there for me.
Don't hear you.
Wait for me over there. Bulan Madu yang kedua. Nikahnya udah tahun lalu. Nah, susah. Okay, wait. Nggak ngalisin ya? Over there.
Up there.
From there, swim.
Waduh, mendung.
Iya, mendung ya. Dari kemarin musim hujan ya.
Ya.
We're going to the second waterfall. The place is way busier than the first one. Apparently it's a fairly long walk. So we're going to the small market, and then there is a bit of walk to the waterfall. So yeah.
Second waterfall destination is the Tegenungan waterfall. We paid 15,000 rupiah entrance fee, which is not bad at all.
Not bad.
That's for one person, so it was 30k rupiah for two people. This waterfall is a lot more crowded than the previous waterfall. I guess it's more touristy. A lot of stairs to go down.
Someone is at the top. You see?
I saw it.
Because you didn't see anything, so
Okay.
I don't know.
That's the waterfall with free massage.
Free massage. Who's gonna massage it?
What?
No, it's not far.
This is huge. Okay, we are attempting to go to the top of Waterfall. In order to get there, we have to go through a few bridges.
We are going up to the top of the waterfalls and we need to get a ticket. And look at that.
Don't forget to smile. Let's go.
Be careful!